The much anticipated WWDC 2021 event is now finally over, and we have a lot to unpack here. There are a lot of stunning new software and the new features and changes that comes with them. So now I'm going to summarize everything from this over an hour-long event down to this minutes-long video. Let's get the video started. So first, the OS everyone cares about, iOS 15. This new version of iOS adds a lot of new features and also fixes a lot of the annoyances I have with iOS 14. It has a lot of improvements and new features added to FaceTime, including screen sharing and SharePlay, which allows you to play music and shows or movies for all participants in a FaceTime call. And you can now create links to FaceTime calls, and even Android users can access them on a web page. Hey, pretty cool. In iMessage, when your phone detects that someone sends you pictures you might like for example, if a family member sends you some vacation pictures that you are in, it will automatically save it to a special section in your photo library. You can also save articles someone sent you to a dedicated section in the News app, so you can read it later. There's a redesigned notification view, and you can also set modes to only let notifications from certain apps to come through in certain scenarios. There's also a completely redesigned weather app and an improved Maps app. And also, please subscribe so you won't miss my in-depth demo and review of the new iOS 15, which I actually already have installed on my iPhone. And it will be out very soon. Now, iPadOS also got a lot of exclusive design changes on top of the iOS 15 it's based on. That includes not only the ability to add widgets to the main home screen instead of being stuck in a weird sidebar, but also a completely redesigned multitasking view, which now lets you enter split view with any app you want, instead of just the ones you have in the dock. You can also take a quick note to jot down any information you want and save it directly to notes. The iPad is even more powerful and customizable now with the new update. Because yes, Xcode is finally coming to iPad. Well, at least inside the Swift Playgrounds app. And you can even submit your app directly to the App Store, straight from the iPad. A lot of nice changes has also arrived to your Apple Watch. And that includes a new Photos app that lets you share photos directly on your Apple Watch to someone else via messages or mail. And a new Scribble view that lets you dictate and type text in the same view, which I think will make your Apple Watch experience a whole lot more enjoyable. And the nice thing about iOS 15, iPadOS 15, and the watchOS 8 is that it supports all devices that also support iOS 14, iPadOS 14, and watchOS 7. So your old Apple Watch Series 3 or iPad Air 2 or iPhone 6s are still supported. We're not going to talk about tvOS since nobody cares about it anyways. So we are now moving on to macOS 12 Monterey. And I actually predicted the name on Twitter. Yay, I'm an Apple leaker now. Yes, the version number is going up by 1 instead of 0.1 now. It's mostly a stability update from Big Sur, but that doesn't mean it brings no new features. It brought some major new features such as new universal control, which lets you use your Mac's trackpad or mouse to control your iPad. The Automator app is now transitioning to the Shortcuts app for Mac, which will make Macs even easier and more enjoyable to use, I think. Quick Notes are also available for Macs, and you can also use your Mac as an AirPlay display and speaker if you want to, which I think will be really nice since the new iMacs have a very nice screen and speaker. But I'm not sure if it fixes any annoying bugs that are present in, let's call it macOS Bugster, until I experience it personally. So stay tuned because that video is also coming soon, but not as soon as the iOS video because none of my Macs natively support Monterey, and I'll have to wait for the patches to get released. So yeah, these are all the things Apple has announced at this groundbreaking event. Unfortunately, there's no new hardware, and yeah, I think this is a pretty meh event. But still, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss my hands-on review of iOS 15 and macOS 12 Monterey. as well as WatchOS 8. And I'll see you guys very, very soon. Bye!